BRSDDQ USB mini chopper is convenient tool that electrically minces small vegetables, fruits, and meat. Using USB cable. 3 hours charge. With 6 blades and 400 milliliters bowl. Now, we'll use it to make avocado dip. Cut 1 avocado in half. Remove the seed and peel it. Add 3 tablespoons mayonnaise, half a tablespoon lemon juice, a quarter teaspoon salt and a pinch of black pepper. Turn it on for 3 30-second bursts. Done. 10-year guarantee against leakage of harmful substances. How about adding one to your kitchen?